homemakers, good morning. Welcome to It's Lin's Life YouTube channel. It's been a while. I have uploaded a cleaning video here. So this year I thought let's start uploading the video for you guys, the cleaning motivation. The reason is you guys only. So on my recent visit to India, many of my friends, many of the people who watch my video asked why there is no cleaning motivation video. They enjoyed watching it. They used to play on the big TV and they clean with me. So it definitely gave me a little bit of boost to upload the video. So before going to the further any updates, Happy New Year to each and every one of you. So I hope you're having all your 2024 planned. That is really dramatic to say, but I hope you have a little bit of plan about how you want your life, your works should go. If not, it's fine. It's not the end of the world anyway. So Happy New Year to everyone. Okay, so the update, I have I don't know, did I share that update here before? I don't know if I said it or not. Anyway, the reason there was no video in this cleaning channel was I started to pursue the art as my career. I won't say full-time career, mainly because I like to do something other than house cleaning and homemaking. I also like to do something else, like you go for work, so next, nursing was not my option. So and so the best option to stay at home and also the work is, other than nursing, it was art, which is only thing other than nursing. That's the only thing I know, art. So I decided to draw. So I was not able to do art and cleaning at the same time because I do have to study about art. I'm still studying. Don't think that I'm done. I'm still studying, but it's different when you just start up and you have a little bit of experience on hand, so drawing experience on hand, so it's a little bit not that tight to record a cleaning video and edit, but still I'm not giving you any promises like, okay, I'm gonna upload videos every week, blah blah blah. I'm not going to do that. So right now on the start, what I'm planning is upload 2 videos in a month. So for you guys, the first cleaning video is going to come on February 9th, next week. Yeah. And then Friday, February 9th, Friday, 4 p.m. I'll be uploading the first video of 2024, first cleaning video of 2024. And then 16, no videos. And 23rd, there'll be another video. So I'm going to take 1 week a gap and try to upload it, the cleaning video. So I'm gonna try to stay that, continue that as a schedule for cleaning uploads. In the art channel, I don't want to upload videos because I do need to get clients, so I must upload there. So anyway, that is what I'm thinking right now. There is no guarantee that this is how it's gonna happen, this is how I'm gonna do it, There's no guarantee on such face, but that's what I hope for. We will see how it's gonna go, but anyways, thank you guys waiting patiently for the uploading of cleaning videos, and thank you for asking me why not uploading. That's definitely given motivation for me to upload. And also I think now I can upload a little bit more, explain a little bit more. I don't know, like I said, no promises. Well, you can see how I manage work from home, homemaking, cooking, cleaning, managing the whole house, and my son, we can see at least some of those. I hope to share some of those with you guys if everything goes well according to God's plan. Anyway, so that is the update, guys. So I hope you will be staying put. You're gonna be ready to rock the cleaning. So just in case, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell on, just in case if something comes up and I couldn't upload a video, you will know, yeah. So that's it, guys. Welcome to It's Lin's Life, a cleaning homemaking channel for 2024. Okay, bye.